Hello folks, we take the part 2 video for the exercise 7.1. We were doing fundamental principle of counting. We learned that if one work can be done in m ways and another work can be done in n ways, then total number of ways of doing this work is mn, and we are going to take up problems based on that. The first 3 problems we took up in the part 1. Now let's take the next problem and see what it says. It says that how many 5-digit telephone numbers can be constructed using the digits 0 to 9, each number such that each number starts with 67 and no digit appears more than once. Repetition is not allowed. In other words, they say that the repetition is not allowed, and then they ask us to form 5-digit code. It's a 5-digit code. And you are taking all the digits from 0 to 9 means basically you are taking 10 digits. From 0 to 9 means we are taking 10 digits. They say it's a 5-digit code, but you cannot call it 5-digit. Why? Because this place is fixed. This is 6 and this is 7. They say that always it is 6 and 7, that is fixed, that you cannot do anything. And they say repetition is not allowed. So automatically the 6 and 7 you cannot choose because it's fixed and it's kept that way. So basically it's not a 5-digit code that we are doing a 3-digit code, because this is kind of fixed and given to you. You have a choice only for the remaining 3 places, and that also, like, you've got the 10 digits out of which the 2 has gone here, so you are left with a choice of 8 digits. This place can be filled in 8 ways. Then having filled this place, your choice has reduced from 8 to 7, so this place can be filled in 7 ways. Having filled that place, again choice is reduced by 1, so you've got 6 digits, so this place can be filled in 6 ways. So total number of ways of forming this telephone number is 8 into 7 into 6, whatever that it works out to. So that's how we do it. 5-digit code, I will get myself corrected. Yes, 5-digit code, fine. The repetition is not allowed. These are the key highlights. So let's get away writing this here. The first 2 places are fixed. So number of ways of filling. The third place is out of 10, 2 choices are already gone, so 8. Right? Then fourth place in 7 ways. Fifth place in 6 ways. Why? Because already 6 and 7 is gone, so 2 choices are already gone. Out of the 10, 8 choices are left, that we have filled it here. Then every time you're dropping 1 because repetition is not allowed. So that way total number of ways or required number of ways of forming the telephone number is 8 into 7 into 6, whatever that it comes to. 7 8s are, it's 56 into 6. Let's see, 56 into 6, 6 are 36, 33, 336. You can form those in 336 ways, the different telephone numbers. That's about this. Then you can have the 5th question. Let's see what it says. Question number 5 says, a coin is tossed 3 times and the outcomes are recorded. How many possible outcomes are there? You're tossing the coins. First, second, third. Like that you have tossed it 3 times. And every time you're recording. First time I tossed head. Second time I tossed tail. Third time I tossed head or tail, whatever. So that way it is being recorded. If we are doing this recording in the 3 times, how many total outcomes are there is a question. So every time, how many choices do you have? Whenever you toss a coin, you either have a head or you have a tail. So for every toss, you have got 2 choices. So we are tossing the coin 3 times. Every time you can have 2 choices. Here also you can have two choices. Here also you have two choices. Every time you've got two choices. So when you toss it, finally the total number of outcomes that can come is 8. M ways, N ways, M into N ways. 2 into 2 into 2, it is 8 ways. So that's how it is. So we'll say that here number of outcomes in the first row is 2, head or tail. If you want, you can write 2 means head or tail. Then in the second row, it is 2 ways, and third row also 2 ways. Therefore, required number of ways is 2 into 2 into 2, that's 8. Total number of ways of getting this is 8. That's about the way that we do this. 8 outcomes you will get. Right. Now we come to the sixth problem. It says, given 5 flags of different colors, how many different signals can be generated such that each signal can use 2 flags, one below the other? Different colors, five different colors, yellow, green, red, black, white, whatever, 5 colors. Now out of these 5 colors, you take only 2 at a time and you make a signal. So like that, how many signals can be made? Interesting, right? There are 2 colors that you're going to choose at a time and you've got a choice of 5 colors. Obviously, you have to use these 5 flags, so you cannot repeat it, right? So it's kind of that the repetition is not allowed. So out of the 5 colors, we choose the first color, so first position is fixed. Then for the second position, choice is reduced by 1, so you've got only 4 choices, so that can be filled in, place can be kept in 4 ways. Total number of ways of doing it is 5 into 4. So I think they say that it is one below the other. So here number of ways of having the top flag is 5. Therefore, the bottom flag has 4 choices, because already 1 is filled and you cannot have a repetition in this case. So therefore, the required number of ways of forming the signal that's what they say. I think they say that of forming the signal is 5 into 4, fundamental principle of counting, 20. Total number of ways of doing this is 20. So that's our sixth problem. With this we finish the exercise 7.1. In the next video we come with the exercise 7.2. Thank you.